Namaste everyone. This is Harsha Ramaiya live at 5 on her favorite page Small Wonders. As you all know, we are celebrating this week as Master Chefs Week, and I'm very happy that I have mom chefs to come here and present their recipes, share their recipes, their delicious, yummy recipes with us. So today I have yet another mom chef with me, one of my dear friends, Mona. Hi, Mona.
Hi everyone. Good evening.
Good evening. You're excited for the show today, Mona?
Yes, very much, Harsha.
Perfect. So today, I believe that we are coming up with two recipes. One is the veg paneer roll, and one is the choco almond balls. Am I correct, Mona?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes, perfect.
So which recipe are we trying the first?
First of all, we'll go with the veg paneer rolls, and then we'll go for the balls, the chocolate
Perfect.
balls.
Perfect. So
Okay.
I will wait backstage till you share the recipe, and once you finish, I'll come back, Mona. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Harsha. Hi everyone. Hello, and a very good evening to all of you. Today, my recipe, which I'm going to share with you all, is veg paneer rolls. So for that, I'll just brief you with the ingredients which we require for it. It is tomato ketchup, cheese spread, mayonnaise. Then we have carrots, which is grated. Then we have capsicum, finely chopped, cabbage, which is grated. Then onions, which is again finely chopped. We have butter, oregano, chili flakes. Here is green chilies. Then we have black pepper, shredded paneer, and a cheese cube for garnishing. So first of all, we'll make the filling, and then we'll just move to the assembly. So first of all, for it, we would take all the vegetables. We take capsicum. We take carrots, then cabbage, onion. Everything is one bowl or whichever vegetable which you like most, you can add it. Paneer. Then I'll go to the sauces. It is a tomato ketchup. Then cheese spread. Kids love cheese, so cheese is a must when we talk about some recipes which we make for kids. And this is mayonnaise. You can also use Thousand Island dressing if you love it. Then also if Thousand Island dressing is not available, mayo is not available, then you can also use plum curd. You know, actually, mom chef are what a synonym which I give to mom chef is a jugadu moms. So anytime if something is not available or any ingredient is not available, what you can do is do any jugad. But ultimately, I know all the moms will make the best for their kids. So now, after the mayonnaise, uh, this is green chili that is optional. If you're making it specially for kids, the little ones, then you can don't add chili. It is fine. But I will add some. Then some black pepper, some chili flakes, and beta, can you give me some salt in a bowl? I'm sorry, I forgot the salt in a hurry. The main ingredient. So mix it well and let it rest for some time. We'll keep this aside. And now I'll just show you how we make it into a roll. So this is bread where the sides are cut. Okay. Now with the help of a rolling pin, I just make it a bit flat. So here it goes. Okay. Now, as you can see, the bread is quite flat. So, okay. And my salt is also ready here. I'll put some salt into the mixture which we made. I'll mix it. And we just take some of that filling and slowly we spread it over the flat bread. You can see that I've left some portion over here. You'll just get to know in some time why I did so. Don't spread it overall. थोड़ी जगह छोड़ दो आप, and then you can give it a very thin layer. Okay. So here I have some water with me. So this place which we left it without the spread, I just dab it with some water so that it sticks when we roll it. So here very slowly, but a tight roll. We have to go like this. Slowly. Slowly we'll just do it. And here we can just roll it like this. Make it a bit tight. Now, what we'll do is we'll just put some butter on it. Overall, we can just put some butter. And now these rolls are ready to be roasted. आप उसको थोड़ा सा shallow fry या थोड़े से बटर में इसको ऐसे करके रोल कर सकते हो on the non-stick pan. And just to make it golden brown and it will be a bit crispy. I've already made some to show you. So the butter which we have put in it will help get the color, the golden brown color. So as you can see, the color here is brown and it is quite crispy. We can serve it with green chutney and tomato ketchup. And for garnishing, and just because cheese is kids' favorite, what we can do is grate some cheese. This recipe is very helpful when you want to make something instant. You don't have time to make tortillas and you don't have to make any this Frankie rotis, and if you don't have time, this is very easy, very handy. You can add all the vegetables, and as Indian moms are always desperate to give their kids all the vegetables, they are just मेरे बच्चे को ये सब्जियां नहीं खाता, ये नहीं खाता, वो नहीं खाता. So this is the magic which they can do and just get the kids eat vegetables. Harsha. Hi,
Yes,
Harsha.
Mona, hi. Wonderful recipe and very nicely आपने बताया कि अगर instant कुछ बनाना हो तो healthy भी है और instant भी है. And when we don't have those tortillas or when we don't have those rotis for Frankie, I think this is the best option. So very nicely explained, Mona. और ये recipe पक्का मैं बनाने वाली हूँ और आपको taste करने के लिए भी भेजूंगी पक्का से. So Mona, what is
Actually,
yes?
to make it more healthy, you can also use brown breads for
Okay.
this.
So I think a
Okay.
lot of variations in breads also are available, like multigrain bread is also available,
Yes,
as you
multigrain
mentioned.
brown bread.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So the healthier version of the maida. So we can use that. So thank
Yes.
you, Mona. So are we
Yes.
ready with the second recipe, Mona?
Yeah, Harsha, we are.
Okay. So I will again go backstage and give you a little time to assemble the second recipe ingredients.
Yeah, Harsha.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. So our next recipe is choco almond balls. And when it is about chocolates, I don't say only kids will love it. Elders also love it. And even I am a great fan of chocolate. So कभी मेरा मूड अच्छा नहीं हो एक चॉकलेट दे दो चलेगा ठीक है So now for that, the recipes which we are going to take is Mary biscuit powder. This is hide and seek biscuit powder. So the chocolate biscuit which you take should be twice the Mary biscuit. If you take 200 grams of hide and seek, take 100 grams of Mary biscuit powder. This I've made it into fine powder. This is chocolate powder, and if you use cocoa, you can add sugar to it. This is almond, roasted almond into pieces. This is roasted almond powder, and this is sugar, grinded sugar. We also require some milk for it for the binding. So we get going for it. First of all, we add the chocolate, the hide and seek biscuit powder, the Mary biscuit powder, the small pieces of almonds, the cocoa powder or drinking chocolate, whatever you feel like, you can add. And I will add some sugar to it. अगर आपको शुगर नहीं डालनी है तो the biscuits are quite sweet. It is up to you. अगर आपको शुगर डालनी है तो you can put it. Now we just mix it. I'm mixing it with the hand because वो प्यार नहीं आता अगर स्पून से करते हैं ना तो. So after this gets mixed, the main thing which you have to take care over here is we are binding it with the milk. This milk is boiled and cooled to room temperature. We will add this slowly while we mix it. एक साथ सारा दूध नहीं डालना है इसके अंदर. So धीरे धीरे इसको आप मिक्स करते जाइए. Because the biscuits also have the butter in it, which makes it soggy. तो अगर ज्यादा सॉफ्ट हो गया तो आपके बॉल्स नहीं बनेंगे. So after this, I will add some of the milk, as you can see. So जैसे आप मिक्स करते जाएंगे आपको आइडिया आता जाएगा कि आपका ये मिक्सचर कैसे बना है. आपको डो लाइक बनाना है स्ट्रक्चर इसका. I've already made it. इसको थोड़ी देर आप जब रेस्ट करने दोगे तो वो बन जाएगा. वो थोड़ा सा जो बिस्किट है वो दूध पी लेगा उसका. सो आपको now I'll just show you the balls which are ready over here, the dough. So this is the dough which I've already made. So you can see कि ये अब कैसा हो गया है. So take a ball, take some portion from it and roll it into ball. आपको वो बटर जो बिस्किट से निकला होता है ना उसकी शाइन भी दिखेगी. जैसे आपको इसको थोड़ी देर आप रहने दोगे ना तो you'll see the shine of the butter on the balls. So see, it is rolled like this. मैंने ऐसे ही ये रोल करके रखे हुए हैं थोड़े से balls. And now what we can do is we just roll these balls on the almond here on the almond powder. Instant chocolate recipe, and if you don't want to give your kids the regular chocolate and all. So this is also very handy क्योंकि biscuits बहुत easily हमें मिल जाते हैं. So here it is, the chocolate almond balls. Harsha?
वंडरफुल मोना. दोनों रेसिपीज जो आपने आज दिखाई उसमें ज्यादा कुछ मटेरियल नहीं है, पर मैंने एक बात नोटिस की कि दोनों बहुत ही हेल्दी है. जैसे बिस्किट्स अगर बच्चों को हम ऐसे ही दे दे तो उसका हेल्दी वर्जन नहीं होता है, बट इसमें सिंस आपने आलमंड्स भी ऐड किए हुए हैं तो इट विल डेफिनेटली अट्रैक्ट द टेस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन एंड दे विल वांट टू ईट मोर. तो जो भी बच्चों को हम दे रहे हैं उसका हेल्दी वर्जन क्रिएट करके हम दे तो इट इज बेटर. सो अ वेरी नाइस आइडिया मोना, एंड थैंक यू सो मच. ऑल द ऑडियंस आई विल रिक्वेस्ट. यस मोना.
जैसे मैंने बोला, हाँ मैंने जो बोला था ना कि भाई मॉम्स है ना वो जुगाड़ू मॉम्स होती है और उनको पता है कि बच्चे को उनको अच्छा भी खाना देना है और फिर खुद के लिए भी टाइम निकालना है, तो थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करना ही पड़ेगा. और ये लॉकडाउन ने ना मुझे सिखा दिया है जुगाड़ू बनना.
सो ये सच की बात है. मैं जरूर से मानती हूँ इस बात को कि मॉम सच में जुगाड़ू होती है. सो मेनी अ टाइम्स इट हैपेंस जब पीहू को लगता है कि मुझे फ्रैंकी खाना है और दोपहर की जो रोटी अगर पड़ी हो, एंड इफ दैट काइंड ऑफ वेजिटेबल आई हैव मेड इन द मॉर्निंग, तो देन आई विल असेंबल दैट वेजिटेबल इन मिडल ऑफ द रोटी एंड देन आई विल ऐड बटर एंड चीज एंड एवरीथिंग एंड आई विल गिव इट एज इफ कि मैंने नई फ्रैंकी बनाई है. सो आई कंप्लीटली अग्री कि मदर्स का जो सिनोनिम है वो जुगाड़ू जरूर से है. सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट कि ऑडियंस को भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि जो हमारी रेसिपी जो मोना ने आज दोनों दिखाई है, इट इज देयर राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स. तो आप वहां से वो रेसिपी लेकर घर पर ट्राई करके हमें पिक्स भी भेज सकते हो. काफी लोगों ने मुझे व्हाट्सएप में पिक्स भेजे हैं. आप ऐसे पिक्स भी भेज सकते हो. इट विल रियली मेक अस मोर एंड मोर हैप्पी. यस मोना.
Thank you, Harsha. Thank you very much, Small Wonders, for giving us this opportunity to show the talent of all the moms. I just loved all the recipes which was showed in this mom chef section of yours. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mona. Thank you so much. And yes, dear audience, I would also request you to like and follow our Small Wonders page, because lot of recipes, lot of other items are also lined up for you all. So if you are in connection with us, you will definitely get all the recipes. And Mona, your student is right here in front of me to see you. She was very excited today to. She was very excited today to see you. Thank you so much, Mona, darling. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Harsha. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.